HydraFacial uses vacuum technology, different tips and skin solutions to exfoliate, extract, and hydrate the skin. We begin cleansing the skin by hand to remove dirt, makeup, and impurities. Active Floor Skin Solution is used with a dark blue tip to provide deep cleansing and exfoliation, but also hydrates the skin. It cleanses while softening the skin to aid in extractions. Lactic acid and glucosamine exfoliate while algae extract calms and soothes the skin. Vortex Fusion extracts while simultaneously pushing high-performing ingredients into the skin. The next step is to use our glycol prep with our teal tip to exfoliate. Glycolic and salicylic acid are used to exfoliate the skin. Glycol adds accelerated peel benefits for a one-step resurfacing procedure without the usual irritation. Next is extractions. We pair Beta HD solution with the teal tip. Vacuum technology pulls impurities out of the skin, which results in a clear complexion. Salicylic acid exfoliates while honey extract calms the skin. This step focuses on your T-zone, but your service provider can also target specific blemishes. The last step is Antioxidants. This specialized solution reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, hydrates the skin, and improves elasticity. Hyaluronic acid moisturizes, and green tea extract is an antioxidant that detoxifies the skin. Your service provider will finish off by choosing a suitable serum, eye cream, and moisturizer for you to wear for the rest of the day. They will then make any recommendations for home care so you can maintain results at home.